So, a brother commented that I had uninstalled Valorant about 3 months ago. Now I am trying to reinstall it, but I am encountering an error in my Valorant required dependency error. Now what's the solution for this? So try to understand, friends. As he mentioned, it was working fine before, but after uninstalling it's not working properly. So there's only one thing you need to focus on: uninstallation process. I don't know why, but mostly when we install Vanguard, its files or backend folders often remains after uninstallation, and on the next installation, those same folders cause issues, leading to a dependency error. Remember that I have already made many troubleshoot videos on this before. Many people have reported that they work, and few people have the same comments that the required dependency error is popping up. So you can watch those videos. I will provide the link in the description. Maybe those videos will solve your problem. And now there's two way only to fix this problem. First, which I think is a 90% solution to your problem, is a third-party uninstaller like Iobit or DoYourData erase. Actually, these both tools are awesome and free. Now open any browser, Iobit Uninstaller. Make sure search through Google search engine, so you will get the exact result. The second one is DoYourData erase, right? This one. Now try it. It's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything, even though I'm using this version. After downloading, simply you can go here, go into the uninstaller and find your right Vanguard, and then click on uninstall. Now might be you have question in your mind that the control panel and the this application and then uninstallation method both are same. Then why we are going with these, and why content creators mostly recommending these tools? Because they are uninstalling not only the program but their backend folders. They are deleting backend folders and registry files from their backend. So that's why we are recommending this. Let me show you an example here. Let me find a tool. Just let me show you how it's work. First you need to select this one and then click on uninstall. Now click again on uninstall. See, it's uninstalling the program, right? Remove Visual Studio Installer and associated installation of Visual Studio. Okay, at this point you can perform the both steps like control panel and the uninstaller program will work both like same. Now after this, deep scan, that feature is only available with these uninstalled. Now you can see here deep clean. At this point you can do with control panel and the Windows setting and then application, and find the application and uninstall it. Both will work same. And when you removing it from it backend folders as well with deep scan, you need the third-party tool like this. Now it's scanning all the back root folders, and then you can uninstall it and it will completely remove all the files from your PC. You can see C programs, data, and all these things, folders. That's why we are recommending these tools. And that's it. Listen, if your Vanguard is not showing, then you need to uninstall Valorant. But sometimes with Valorant you cannot uninstall Vanguard because both are different programs, right? The thing is, if you are facing the dependency error, then definitely you cannot install the Vanguard. And if you don't have Vanguard, then you cannot uninstall it. That's the glitch or bug, you can say. But for this, you can reset your Windows using restore point or factory reset this PC. For the reset, you don't need to download the ISO file or USB, etc. Let me show you. If you have restore point, it's better you can restore. But if you don't know much about restore point, then you can simply click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, update and security, and on the left side you will find here the recovery option. Just click on it. Now reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose whether to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. Alright, this is the simple process. Now here two options: keep my files, remove everything. We will go with the second option, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings, because The first option, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files, which maybe contain your Vanguard folders, etc., and registry files. So we don't need those things. We need to clean the window. So the second option is best. Once you choose this, you will get another two options. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download and local reinstall. Right now, cloud download, basically you need a stable internet for downloading the latest ISO, and then after downloading, the installation process will keep going on. But with the second option, reinstall Windows from this device, so the window that you have, that much. So the second option will work fine if you don't have the faster internet. Don't worry, the second option will solve your dependency 100%. Go with the second option. And after restarting, simply you need to launch the Riot client, and this will pop up installing or install Vanguard. So now it's working on background. Just patience here, and it's actually working. Let me show you. Here's my network. You can see 6.2 MB per second, and it's still increasing, which means that your Riot client is downloading something from internet. So just be patient here. And that's it. Your game requires a system restart to play. Please restart your computer. If this issue continue, reach out to our player support team. So just click here. If you are still facing, you can submit your ticket, but hopefully your problem should be fixed after watching this video. And after this, hopefully your problem should be fixed. If this video is helpful for you, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.